Whoa, did your tuna for lunch just come back to life? Prepare to dive deep into the surprising world of the dancing bonito flake and discover the secrets of the magical process where food comes alive. But before these flashy fish become flavor bombs, they have to be caught. Now, you might be picturing a dramatic battle between a grizzled fisherman and a mighty bonito. Think more like a tickle fight with a feather. Turns out, bonito are quite the acrobats. Catching them with a hook and line is about as effective as trying to catch a butterfly with a net. So, the real challenge lies in luring entire schools of bonito into special nets. It's like throwing a giant, delicious sushi party in the ocean and hoping they all RSVP yes. In the heart of Japan's culinary tradition lies a process as captivating as it is time-honored. Join us as we uncover the mesmerizing journey of creating one of Japan's most cherished ingredients, bonito flakes. Step 1. Prep the fish. Whole bonito are carefully cut, cleaned, gutted, and expertly filleted, setting the stage for what's to come. Next up, simmering. The fillets are submerged in hot water, not boiling, and left to infuse for 1.5 to 2.5 hours, coaxing out the essence of the fish. Once cooled, it's time for deboning and shaping. Every contour is sculpted with precision, ensuring a uniform texture and flavor profile. Now the magic begins. The fish is gently smoked over oak or cherry wood, imparting a deep, smoky flavor that tantalizes the senses. Here, a special mold is introduced, nurturing the fish for weeks, enhancing its taste to unparalleled heights. And finally, the grand finale, shaving. The dried, hardened fish, now transformed into katsuobushi, is shaved into delicate flakes using a traditional tool called a katsuobushi kezuriki, ready to grace dishes with its unmistakable umami goodness. From preparation to perfection, the journey of bonito flakes is a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship and reverence for flavor that define Japanese cuisine. Bonito flakes, where every step is a labor of love and every flake a taste of tradition. Amazed by the secret life of bonito flakes? Take your taste buds on a Japanese adventure and unlock the umami magic in your own cooking. Crave more culinary capers? Subscribe for more food adventures.